is some pressure or a lot of suggestion that doctors need to be on social media. And this is fairly new for most physicians. They're already really, really busy with a lot of their own responsibilities, not only seeing patients, but administrative hours spent. So the thought of maybe being on social media it can feel like a time crunch. So doctors need to decide if this is worth it for them and why it might be worth it. And if they go there, they may not necessarily build a huge patient base or promote themselves in a big way, but they can be an excellent filter for all of the healthcare information that is on the internet now. They can talk in very general terms about conditions. Let's say flu season is coming up, and they can comment on that and give advice. But because of HIPAA, obviously, doctors can't specifically talk about a patient or give one-on-one advice to a patient who might like them on Facebook or follow them on Twitter. That's very dangerous territory. But they can provide a valuable service for their patients who choose to check in with them on the web. I think that doctors sometimes struggle to be more relatable to their patients. They'd like to be more relatable. The internet gives them a chance to do that, to become a person instead of just a doctor. So if their patients choose to, for instance, like them on Facebook, I think patients can become very loyal to that physician and perhaps then via word of mouth make recommendations to their friends or family about that physician. And I think it just gives the doctor a way to interact and engage with the local community, who may find that physician on Facebook. I think if a doctor is willing to put the time in and do this in a way that is helpful to him and perhaps helpful to the hospital at which he practices, he can really expand his reach into the community and certainly solidify and enhance his image and become sort of more of a communicator on a one-on-one level with people in his community who already maybe think he's a great doctor, but now are going to see another side of him as he becomes a mentor of sorts by using social media.